Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial section we'll create our own toggle switch. Let's first check it. What is toggle switch? As you see that, let's run it. As you see that there is on and off. First we'll change this on and off. We'll make it like active passive, and I want this text to be before this one, not here. And I will change the fore color of this one, and yeah, and also I think currently we have this one. Let's go and create it. From Solution Explorer, right click, add and class, and I write my toggle switch. Then I set this one to public, and then we write our attribute, and then it will be inherited from toggle switch. Let's come to the constructor and let's write our codes. First we said we will change like on and off. Let's go from properties. As you see that we have on and off text. For on we say we will write active, and let's go to the off and we write passive, and let's change that color of text. We'll go to the properties, and then from appearance, and then for color, then I will set it to maroon. And also I said that we will, for example, this active passive, it is in the end of control. We want from the start of control. How we'll do it? From properties, this is glyph alignment, and then we'll say far. And also we'll override enter move next control. When we enter it, while we focus our control, it will move the next one. And let's build this one, and let's go for trying my toggle switch. Let's move over here, and as you see that we can resize it because it's passive, is not very visible. As you see that active passive, I will just like a little bit resize it, something like this, maybe it's better. And let's run it. As you see that the fore color has changed, and also on and off also is changed, active and passive, and the text is here, not here. And if I enter, it will move to the next control. It will go to the temp button. This also like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.